Hi everyone! Yep, that's my face. I am so tired. You can hear my voice as well. It's very tired. This is Korean Chili, the Korean Chili. Just posting my first video now. Hope you guys like. It's a little stop motion in an app called Procreate. I'm really proud of it, really happy about it. It was a project that we had to turn in. I'm proud of it. Later on I'll be posting more videos, but if you like the content, subscribe, show some love, and any questions, just post them down below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye! Okay, I really didn't know how I was gonna start. It's backwards because the iPad was backwards, but I really didn't know what to do for the project or anything. Sometimes it's better off to just draw whatever you have in mind, because after a while it's gonna come, you know, into play, whatever. Let's fast forward. Okay, so I started drawing my own hand, and as you see, like, I kept doing frames over frames over frames. If you want me to do a quick tutorial on that, or if you want me to link some videos, I will do that as well. But yeah, that's what I was doing. After a while, you see adding some shade, adding some texture. This is just like a quick recap on how I was doing things. But yeah, it turned out pretty amazing. Leave me a comment what I should do better, anything like that, any love. But thank you guys so much for watching. You have an amazing day or night, and we'll see you next time.